Hi, I'm Crane Kenny, the President of Business Operations for the Chicago Cubs.
Hello, my name is Justin Piper with the Chicago Cubs.
My name is Ryan Egan, Director of Facilities with the Chicago Cubs.
Yeah, the fan experience is of utmost importance, and we obsess about every single detail. So we evaluated how we were going to go about each area in the facility in response to the pandemic, and air purification in a bunch of high occupancy spaces became a focal point for us.
Well, what we've learned in the past year is that outdoor spaces are much safer than indoor spaces when it comes to the transmission of COVID. So we needed to improve the air quality for our indoor spaces, which included all of our clubs and restrooms, the clubhouse for the players, and then our office space. And we were happy to partner with Fellows to create a solution for that through their air purification system. They were the logical choice given they're locally based, a great family-run business, and importantly their air purifiers clean the air to a degree of 99.9%. So as we're looking at improving the quality of the air in all of our indoor spaces, Fellows was the perfect choice.
I think things are going really well. They create a clean environment, and they also create a tangible way for people to see that and know that they're in a clean environment.
Yeah, I think each of the staff members appreciates the multifaceted approach we took, and the air purification was certainly a big part of that. The units are there, and as a reminder of the precautions that we're taking throughout the facility.
Here at the Chicago Cubs, we really value the safety of our associates, our fans, and our players. Fellows Air Purifiers is just a great opportunity to take that next step in safety, and they just provide that extra level of comfort to our guests and fans.
Yeah, we've been very happy with the results so far as we've welcomed our staff back over the prior 2 months.
From the relationship we had with the Fellows family, as well as the important criteria of having the best air purifiers at Wrigley Field, they were the perfect partner.